this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Ford Escape Titanium. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we get a tow hitch, dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof rails. We do get mud flaps on the rear and front with some nice chrome accents. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front real quick, we got a nice license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage, tons of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, 12 volt and a light, and you can collapse this last row if you need additional storage, and you do get more storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, you can either hit this button or you can use your foot and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have the nice black leather interior, you got an outlet down there, rear vents, floor mats, carpeted interior. You do get cup holders and arm space and plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, storage, plenty more storage up front, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 112,377 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel, we got paddle shifters, volume, playback, play forward, phone, voice, cruise control, and toggle free screen, which you can go through trip 1 to information about the vehicle, settings, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, tons of storage and cup holders. Got your center console here with even more outlets down there with upper and lower storage. More storage here with outlets, heated steering wheel, auto stop auto start, park sensing, park assist, traction, heated front seats with dual climate up front. We got storage in the glove compartment, and above me we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. You got your CD right there, and we got a Sony sound system, which is pretty nice, your engine start stop. And looking at our main screen here, I'm just going to go back to our home screen. We have navigation, audio phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, CD, all that fun. You got your phone controls, you can see who's been previously connected as well. Navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here as well. And settings such as your Bluetooth, mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, valet mode, ambient lighting, where you can change the lighting to your car to those fun colors, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE39898A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.